Okay, ready? Intro.
Intro.
Okay, you have to look there, and every time I say a word, we'll switch cameras. Ready?
Okay.
Welcome
back to.
Come on, it's me.
Welcome. Oh.
Welcome back.
to.
Oh God.
Welcome back to another episode of Keenan and Adam's Cooking Show. That was all out of focus. I don't like the two cameras, just throw me off.
We'll cut it out. Screw that.
This is my fave camera.
Today's a special day. Not only because we have two cameras that we've now taken down, but
we're making chocolate chip cookies. We potentially, not sure yet, might go drive and give them to people.
to the homeless.
I hurt myself today to see.
Again?
Why not?
Oh! Guess what, guys? I'm a
homosexual now.
Oh yeah.
brown sugar. Got her. Almond milk. Still no, Adam. Baking soda. Oh no. Get that out of here. Still no.
What is it?
Baking powder. There it is. And baking powder. Nice set, volleyball. Spikers. Stop.
Canola oil? Whoa, Nelly. What are you doing? Why is there flour in there? Why is there so little? Stop. You didn't say to put 2/3 cups of flour. 2.5 cups of flour. We're putting it back.
Oh wait, no. Oh,
What's the flour?
sugar.
You read flour as sugar.
Over here we have Adam saucing on a spoon. Over here with the flip. Oh, kisses. Look at him go. Oh, that is a nice pat. Oh, spank that.
Oh, this looks nasty.
That's a half cup right there. Sugar, baby.
Dad. Going off with this, eh? That's 3 cups, Adam!
That's a cup. This is a half cup.
Shit.
It's like Halloween.
Oh yeah.
Chocolate chips are going in! Why do you always do that?
Because you just like toss them in there.
Opposed to.
Man, they're nice. Back off, man.
If you punch a friend on the playground, that's bullying.
Stop. Literally stop, man.
You figuratively stop. Oh! Let him. We better split this.
Such a bitch, Adam.
If you call a classmate a nasty name, that's bullying.
You know? How many things do you not do because you think they're true but they aren't?
Probably scared them so bad. Or I'm gonna scare you when you're editing.
Keenan thinks they look good.
So chunky, man.
Load him up!
Oh shoot, man.
Come on. So on a scale from 1 to 10, how happy are you right now?
Happy? 10.
Just with life, not with the cookies. I'm
10.
just asking. I'm looking out.
10.
I'm good.
All of that just for one. That's how life's going right now. Ready?
You just said it was a 10. What's that?
SpongeBob spatula. Gonna flip
Keenan, I thought that was a spatula. You
It's a
idiot!
We're in Grandma's car. Going to feed the poor kids. It's called a boulevard term.
I'm a poor kid. Can I have some cookies?
For sure. Yeah, we just cooked up this batch, okay, for Keenan and Adam cooking show. When you get a TV, when you can afford a TV,
Yeah.
you can go check that out.
Yeah. Kind of tastes like bread.
We have kidnapped the poor kid.
Yeah.
You can
Oh,
get
what did you put in it? No.
you can get 3 cookies if you let us jump on the trampoline.
Just relax there, okay?
Yeah, cool guy.
We got some more homeless kids here looking for food. He's taking a selection. Oh!
Oh God, James. This guy.
Okay, good luck with your poverty. That's a green light, baby girl. You drive right through that, okay? Oh, Nelly, that's a wide turn. He doesn't even care about the rules.
It's like this.
Oh yeah? Oh yeah?
Idiot.
The man brought us water. How's poverty treating you?
Horrible.
Ah,
These cookies are average.
shit.
Yeah.
You guys are great.
Shouldn't let us jump on a trampoline.
She doesn't have a trampoline. She has a backyard though. Jump on the grass?
Give him one for the road, Keenan.
That's a nice one.
Thanks. Thanks, brother.
You're welcome.
You guys are related?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Only sexually.
Ooh, wow.
We did it.
This light.
Another episode.
We made this window.
Another episode.
Yeah, another one. I think we're getting better.
We're not getting worse.
That's good stuff.
Well, we'll see you next week. Say goodbye.
See ya.